I've got a good one for you guys today. We are making a no churn speculoos apple butter ice cream. And if you've never had those combinations before, I don't blame you. This is probably the first time I've ever seen them married together, but it just works. You're gonna love it. So let's get started. This is a no-churn recipe, so all you really need are 2 mixing bowls. We're gonna start with our custardy base. We're using sweetened condensed milk. Just make sure to get all of it out of the can. Then vanilla extract, some salt. I'm doing about 1/8 teaspoon to 1/4 teaspoon. I just did a pinch, so follow your instinct there. Then apple butter. I will link the brand that I used in the description box. It was delicious. And some Biscoff cookie butter. If you find other brands for these things, you can totally use them, but I'm just going with the OG Biscoff, and I just got this apple butter by chance, but I'm sure it'll taste great no matter what you use. So whisk all of this together. It's gonna be really thick and creamy, and make sure there are no clumps before you get to the next step. So our next step is to whip some heavy cream. Make sure this is cold right out of the fridge. You're gonna use a hand mixer or a whisk if you're old school, and beat it until you have stiff peaks. Now, when you get those stiff peaks, you're gonna fold in that Biscoff custardy base and use your hand mixer on a low speed to combine it thoroughly. The Biscoff base is really thick, so the hand mixer really helps us get everything fully incorporated to make the perfect ice cream. Fold it together once more, then you're gonna transfer it over to either a cake pan, a pan of your choice, or an ice cream container. I got this one on Amazon. I can also link that below for you. These are really great to have. They're easy to clean and great for storing. Anyway, I'm gonna toss in some crushed Biscoff cookies. You can do any level of crunch here, I mean like size, so I love a variety of large and small pieces. Stir those in, and now we're gonna do an apple butter swirl on top, just like this. Just take your spoon and do a little swirly swirl on top. Finish it off with some more Biscoff crumbs, and you are done. I'm gonna just put the lid on and let this set. Do this overnight. Let it set overnight. That way you're sleeping. You're not gonna be thinking about it endlessly until it's hardened. Let me know if you make this ice cream. I hope you enjoy it as much as I did. Trust me, it is so delicious. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, do all the things, because it keeps me going. All right, bye.